Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Handspring is known for making some pretty nice yet affordable monitors, and the HL27 4H PB 27-inch monitor is no exception. Part of the Handspring series of affordable HL monitors, the HL27 4H PB combines energy efficient, large screen performance with a super sleek modern design with a picture quality often found in higher end models. The stylish big screen offers the ultimate view in real estate with its huge 27-inch display area. Combined with full HD and stunning visual performance means that you can enjoy the latest games and personal entertainment thanks to its blazingly fast 2 milliseconds response time. Handspring's dynamic picture enhancing contrast technology delivering a 10,000,000:1 active contrast ratio and a 1920 by 1080 full high definition resolution. The camera really doesn't do it any justice, so believe me when I tell you the picture quality is outstanding. Crisp sharp lines, zero color bleed, and the vibrancy of the colors is immense. The monitor was super easy to put together and set up, so there was no messing around at all. The user interface is basic but visually pleasing, making it quick and easy to use for us oldies, which is quite handy. Some may be put off by the large bezels surrounding the screen, but I personally like it. It matches many setups, and using LEDs behind my monitor, it gives you a clear definition of the screen's edge. The only downfall that I could find with this monitor is its connectivity. Using HDMI 1.4, VGA and DVI-D are all included, providing comprehensive connectivity for a number of external devices. However, a display port being present would have sweetened the deal personally. Only having a DVI-D and a power cable included in the box was a little bit on the disappointing side, but seriously nothing to complain about. We all have an HDMI cable lying around somewhere, but if you're one of those who's going to complain, give yourself a slap. What I do like is that you can hook up your mobile computing device to instantly upsize to the ultimate computing display. However, trying this with my gaming laptop, I did see a massive drop in frame rate, so please bear that in mind. The HL27 4H PB is only 60Hz with a 2 milliseconds response time, so is no gaming spec monitor, but is no slouch either. The HL27 4H PB is only 60Hz with a 2 milliseconds response time, so it's no gaming spec monitor, but it's no slouch either. The HL27 4H PB is VESA wall mountable and includes built-in stereo speakers, which are okay, but gives you the flexibles for a wall mounted monitor. Being priced at $129.95 at the time of the video with free delivery is a bargain, so check out the link in the description below. It is well worth considering if you would like a great performing 27-inch 1080p monitor on a budget. So guys, that's all we have time for today, I'm afraid. So if you liked the video, please slap that like button. If you didn't, feel free to hit that dislike button, and why not subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and hopefully I'll see you all in the next one. So until then, take care and bye for now.